everybody, welcome to Memory Keeping Friday. Today I'm going to do a simply layered page for you, and I am going to be using the designer paper that is found in this product Melody right here. It is on page 39 of the holiday catalog, and I had not decided to get this. I didn't get it in all of the product I originally ordered, and I had a little bit of free product that I needed to use up, and I was looking through the holiday catalog and I thought, well, I'll just try this product out. I don't typically get product Melodies because I don't always like having to get every single thing in the product Melody. I like to pick and choose what I'm going to get. I got this and I was blown away. I opened this product up and I was ecstatic. This designer paper is so gorgeous. It has all of this foiling on it. It has amazing designs, very classic traditional Christmas, like a very traditional Christmas style. And then the stamp set is beautiful. So in this, you get the stamp set and the dies, and then you get 6x6 paper, you get 7 sticker sheets, you get an entire roll of ribbon, along with some embellishments and some card fronts. These make beautiful cards. I did a mega class on this earlier in the month, and I've just been working my way through this product because I love it so much. So let's get started and let's make our 12. I'm going to do a double set. So I'm going to do two 12 by 12 pages, which is always a little hard to get completely in the frame. And I have a little bit started so far because I had been playing with this and I wanted to get a little bit of an idea of what I wanted to do. I have 2 pieces of 12 by 12 old olive cardstock that I'm using. And then I have this sheet of the designer paper, which is, it comes in 6x6, but can you see all of this foiling? And so what I'm going to do is just cut this sheet in half. So just at 3 inches, I'm just cutting it right in half, just like so. And then these 2 are already attached because, like I said, I had sort of got started a little bit. So now what I did on this side, it's a little bit hard to see, but I added another little bit to this strip. So you can see this is the 3-inch strip and it's a little bit shorter, but that's okay. That's what we're going to go with. You can add a little bit. It's like a 2-inch over here to make it a little bit larger is what I did on that side. So this piece can go down, and I'm just following this piece here. We'll line this up and then this will go right to the edge. So the colors that I am going to bring in here. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is go ahead and add my 2 pieces of 6x6 paper, and I want to use this tree pattern. And on the other side of the tree pattern is this. So I just want to be able to put 2 6x6 pieces together. And this is going to overlap a little bit. Because I didn't have that much of the designer paper, I really tried not to waste too much of the designer paper underneath. So that's why I chose to just cut it in half instead of just layering it, so I could get the most use out of this paper. It is really disappointing that they didn't offer this particular paper where you could get it, because it's so gorgeous. So I'm going to make sure it's lined up over here. And then this seam will be hidden by our photo mats. So I'll do the same thing on this side. And on this side, I'm not taking this designer paper as far out. So we'll go ahead and line this one up. Again, this seam, it'll be okay because we'll cover that up. So the colors that I'm going to bring into this layout are going to be red and black. So what I want to do is add these, and these are just 4x6 photo mats, and this is where I will put my photos when I'm ready to add them. And then these are 3x4s. And we're going to add these just like this. And then I have a really beautiful gold circle that we're going to add here in the middle. So I'll attach this. Let me just show you how the layout's going to work. And then I have some over here. And I'm just rotating the color so you can see like that. And then this will allow me to have a title or some journaling up here. So let me add my photo mats, and then I'll come back and we'll wrap up the layout. So a few things that I want to do. I'm just going to go ahead and add some of these stickers here on my layout, and then that's all I'm going to do. I'll be able to add my journaling and decide what I want my layout to be as the holiday season approaches. And then the other thing that I'll do is on this sticker sheet are these banners, and I'll take one of these banners and I will place it over the gold circle once I know what I want to stamp on there. These are great that they included so many of these. I hope you enjoyed seeing this simply layered page. I love having this already set up for Christmas. So once Christmas happens and I'm taking my pictures, I can add pictures to this, put it in my album, and I'll be done. So if I get busy during the holidays, I can still have these layouts ready to go. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today and seeing this simply layered page. I'll be back next week with more projects for you guys. Have a great day. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.